What's up everybody, it's your boy, KBLR2, back at it again with another video. Today we're talking about a serious issue that affects millions around the world, hormone imbalance. Did you know that iron deficiency affects nearly 30% of the world's population and can wreak havoc on your hormone health? Iron isn't just about preventing anemia, it plays a vital role in keeping your entire endocrine system humming along smoothly. So, if you're ready to take control of your health and optimize those hormones naturally, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of iron-rich foods and how they can help you maintain a balanced hormone level. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our health tips and tricks. Alright guys, let's get real for a second. Hormonal imbalances are more common than you might think. Many cases of hormonal imbalance stem from poor diet and lifestyle choices. One crucial nutrient that often gets overlooked is iron. Iron deficiency is incredibly common, especially among women, and it can directly impact the production and regulation of key hormones like thyroid hormones, estrogen, and testosterone. When your iron levels are low, these essential hormones can't function optimally, leading to a cascade of unwanted symptoms. So, before you reach for that quick fix or expensive supplement, let's talk about how we can naturally support our hormone health by simply incorporating more iron-rich foods into our diet. Remember Popeye and his love for spinach? Turns out that sailor man was onto something. Spinach is a true nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and, you guessed it, iron. Spinach is a great source of non-heme iron. Non-heme iron is the type of iron found in plant-based foods. While it's not as easily absorbed as heme iron from animal sources, spinach has a secret weapon, vitamin C. Vitamin C actually enhances the absorption of non-heme iron. Spinach is also a good source of vitamin C. Spinach is also rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating cortisol, the stress hormone. Trust me, getting your daily dose of iron and supporting your hormone health has never tasted so good. Now let's talk about another fantastic source of iron: red meat. Lean cuts of red meat, like beef, lamb, and bison, are not only delicious, but also nutritional powerhouses, especially when it comes to iron. Red meat is packed with heme iron, the type of iron that our bodies absorb most easily. This is particularly important for individuals who are prone to iron deficiency, such as women with heavy periods or those following restrictive diets. Iron from red meat is essential for the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body. Red meat is also an excellent source of other essential nutrients that contribute to overall hormone health, including zinc, vitamin B12, and protein. So, next time you're planning your meals, don't be afraid to include lean cuts of red meat a couple of times a week. Your body and your hormones will thank you. For my plant-based eaters, let's talk about lentils. These legumes are packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and iron. Lentils are an excellent source of non-heme iron. Pair them with vitamin C-rich foods to boost iron absorption. Lentils also support gut health and hormone balance. They're a great source of plant-based protein for muscle mass. Lentils are a nutritious way to boost your iron intake. You know, I've seen firsthand the incredible impact that increasing iron intake can have on hormone balance. I remember this one patient, let's call her Sarah. Sarah came to me feeling exhausted, her hair was thinning, her periods were irregular, and she just felt off. We ran some tests, and sure enough, her iron levels were extremely low. She was hesitant at first, but we worked together to gradually incorporate more iron into her diet through foods like red meat, spinach, and lentils. Within a few weeks, Sarah's energy levels skyrocketed. Her hair started growing back thicker and healthier, her menstrual cycle regulated, and she just felt like a new person. This is just one example of the many success stories I've witnessed throughout my career. It highlights the crucial link between iron intake and hormone balance. So there you have it, folks. We've talked about the importance of iron for hormone health and explored some delicious and easy ways to incorporate more iron-rich foods into your diet. Whether you're a fan of spinach, red meat, lentils, or all of the above, there's an option for everyone to boost their iron intake. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite iron-rich foods? Share your go-to recipes in the comments below.